Want to know how to log out of WhatsApp on your iPhone, but don't know how? Since there's a direct logout option, in this video, I'll show you the exact steps to log out of WhatsApp on your iPhone. So, let's get started. If you want to keep your chat history, back up your WhatsApp data to iCloud. To do that, open the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on the settings icon below. Then tap on the chats. Here you will find the option called Chat Backup. Tap on it, and after that, tap Backup Now. It will start to back up. After completing the backup, go back to the home screen. Next, press and hold on the WhatsApp app. After that, tap Delete. Again, tap Delete. Now go to the App Store, install the WhatsApp app again. Now open the WhatsApp app. Here it is, Welcome to WhatsApp. You are now successfully logged out from WhatsApp. Guys, this is how you can log out of WhatsApp on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any kind of questions, then write them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.